In our discussions, I also raised serious concerns about human rights. As I told President Kagame, we believe people in every country should be able to express their views without fear of intimidation, imprisonment, violence, or any other forms of repression. That's true whether they're political opponents, human rights defenders, journalists like the ones in this audience, or simply citizens. There are very credible reports of support for armed groups by all sides, including the FDLR, by Congolese forces, and M23 by Rwandans. And our position is clear. Whoever it's by, whoever it's to, that support needs to cease for any armed group.
Whatever government of Rwanda could do in DRC or in our region would be about protecting our people and protecting the territorial integrity of our country and its sovereignty. It is not about supporting M23. And if we want a lasting solution for the problems in Eastern DRC in our region, we just need to deal with the root causes of the problem, which is the presence and the preservation of the FDLR in Eastern DRC and their collaboration with FRDC. Let me remind you.
Then we'll have a briefing after.